Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 109,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, stability control, and traction control.